If you don't have $10,000 saved yet, you're not bad with money. You were just never told the real plan. It's like having a map in your hand, but the map has no street names, no directions. And today, we fix that. Because your first $10,000 isn't about becoming rich, it's about becoming stable. And once you understand the right order, reaching 10,000 becomes surprisingly simple. Now, here's the problem. Most financial advice online sounds like chaos. Invest now, start a side hustle, save more, cut spending, enjoy life, all at the same time. So people try everything and finish nothing. Your money isn't failing because you lack discipline. It's failing because nobody taught you sequence. Money success isn't about motivation. It's about doing the right things in the right order. And once you follow this order, things start clicking fast. Let's start with something important. Your first $10,000 is not a wealth milestone. It's a stability milestone. Before 10,000, every small emergency feels like a disaster. A car repair ruins your month. A medical bill stresses you out. A job change feels terrifying. But after 10,000, you gain breathing room. You gain confidence. You gain options. Think of it as emotional support money. So step 1 is not investing. It's not crypto. It's not chasing returns. Step 1 is building your first $1,000 emergency fund. Yes, just $1,000. This money is not for vacations, not for shopping, not for upgrades. This is your life shield. Because when emergencies happen, and they will, you stop going into debt just to survive. Start small. Sell unused things. Pause subscriptions. Redirect small expenses. Momentum matters more than perfection. Once that safety net exists, we move to step 2. Destroy high-interest debt. Debt with high interest quietly grows in the background while you sleep, and investing while carrying high-interest debt is like pouring water into a bucket full of holes. No matter how much you add, it keeps leaking. So before investing seriously, plug the leaks. Every payment reduces stress. Every balance you eliminate increases your financial freedom. You're not just paying debt. You're buying back your future income. Now comes the step almost nobody talks about, and honestly, this might be the most powerful one. Automation. Most people think financial success comes from discipline. It doesn't. It comes from systems and discipline. If money sits in your account, your brain will find ways to spend it. That's human nature. So instead, move money automatically before you see it. Income comes in, savings and investments move out automatically. Bills get handled automatically. Only spending money stays visible in your wallet. When saving and investment become automatic, progress is definite. Your future self starts winning without effort. Before we move on, click the like and subscribe button if you want to get notified about my next video and learn about finances in simple terms. Okay, so moving on. Investing. Once stability and automation are in place, now investing finally makes sense. And here's the truth beginners need to hear. Investing is not about getting rich quickly. It's about consistency. Small amounts invested regularly beat perfect timing. Time does the heavy lifting. Compounding works quietly in the background, turning small habits into large results. Think of investing like planting a tree. At first, nothing seems to happen. But beneath the surface, roots are growing. And one day, growth becomes obvious. Now here's the part that speeds everything up. The fastest way to reach $10,000 is not cutting coffee or obsessing over tiny expenses. It's increasing income. There's a limit to how much you can cut, but there's almost no limit to how much you can earn. Learn a new skill, negotiate your salary, take on income opportunities that grow your earning power. When income rises and systems are already in place, saving accelerates naturally, and suddenly, 10,000 arrives faster than expected. So let's recap the money plan nobody teaches. Step 1. Build a $1,000 emergency fund. Step 2. Eliminate high-interest debt. Step 3. Automate your money system. Step 4. Start consistent investing. Step 5. Increase your income. That's a wrap. Start your journey today.